serotonin. Oh my god. It's so beautiful in here. As soon as we walked in the store, I smelled the fall scents. And it just made me so happy. I'm so excited for fall. This is so pretty. Oh my god. And I know they have to have the Christmas stuff out. Those are really pretty. They have flameless candles and regular candles. I was looking for the pumpkin that lights up, but I don't see it. Wow, it smells so amazing. Pigs. Christmas is starting to come out slow. Just the spring stuff. So much fun. This is so beautiful. This is cute. I know.
This is not bad for like next to the coffee bar.
That is cute. That's pretty. I like this.
Jesus.
Yeah. I think I showed it.
Confused. I'm like, I see what you're saying.
So this is the fabric that we found.
So it would be a total of 5 yards on each back.
Oh, that's so cute. They probably don't want to be in there anymore. Oh, these are cute. That flower one is pretty. I like that one. Yeah. The Scooby-Doo. Look.
Oh, that's Snooki, right?
Yeah. Sweater weather. That's so cute. Oh, yeah. This kind of looks like the cup we just got. That's pretty. That's a pretty candle. It's gotta be because he's Are you kidding? This is so precious. Yes. They're Martha Stewart. It doesn't have a price though. This one's $16.99. Maybe I just didn't see it. No, it doesn't have a price, but that's so cute. That's so cute too. Okay. Look. Van Gogh. Those are so nice. They're like replicas of the original paintings.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Really, really nice stuff. Candles like this. The ones that we got last year, the tiny one. And it broke in my face, yeah.
It smells pretty good. Smell that. Don't take a big whiff. It's like a...
Yeah, it smells pumpkin-y.
Yeah,
There you are. Yes, please. Thank you.
this is so nice. How much is this? Can you see it? I love it. $35. That would be right on my counter with some eggs in it.
That's nice. Look, candle holders.
I love
Look.
it.
Beets.
Oh, beets.
Beets and what's that one? Green onion. That's so cool. So nice.
I grabbed one. Oh, it was because it was under.
pretty.
That's why it was like this.
Mm.
Oh, look at this. I'm trying to turn it over to see how much it costs. They don't show the price.
They cover the price.
Is that what they did?
Yeah, but the price is gonna be more.